This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 14, The Body and the Way It Communicates. In this video, we explore the captivating realm of non-verbal communication, delving into body language aspects like gestures, postures, and facial expressions. We uncover the contextual nuances that shape the interpretation of non-verbal cues, where cultural influences and situations play a pivotal role. Discover how emotions and their displays are innately present yet culturally regulated, with societal norms dictating their expression across diverse groups. Gain insights into the intriguing world of gestures and emblems, where some originate from biological instincts while others hold agreed-upon meanings within cultures. Explore the non-verbal dynamics of space proximity and territory, unveiling how they convey meaning and shape interactions across various contexts. Witness the captivating ability of non-verbal cues to communicate emotions and power dynamics through artistic expressions like paintings and illustrations. Ultimately, we will synthesize the key takeaways, emphasizing the role of context, cultural modulation, the ambiguity of solitary gestures, and the universal language of non-verbal communication in conveying emotions and social status. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.